All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the one that really pissed me off. I was really mad because I was looking forward for this one. This is the one out of all of the ones I ordered. This is the one I wanted.
Yeah, this is the one that I can't pull the trigger on yet, man. I want it so bad though, man. This is the one I
I can't.
That
I,
was
I can't even do it. I've seen this one at the store, and I haven't put the trigger.
Yeah, me too. Twice already.
well.
makes-
I'm the only one who got it, and I was highly upset because this is the one they stole from me, and I was pissed.
I don't blame you, Pete.
This was a thing. Like a lot of people don't know, he's Robo Jesus. This is out of all collections that I have. This is the one that I take personal. I like Megatron, I like Rodimus, but this is my guy. This is Robo Jesus. This is the one I'll die for. If I buy this one, I have a lot of them.
This is what you die for. It's just a toy. It's just a toy, bro.
You know what I mean.
Relax.
Relax. That's serious.